Hey everyone, welcome back to the Spotify Camp Nou construction update. Camp Nou is taking shape faster than ever, and this week's progress is impossible to miss. New concrete sections are up, steel frames are expanding, and the stadium's modern design is finally starting to reveal itself. From the south goal to the diamond zone, every area is buzzing with work and movement. You can feel it. Camp Nou is slowly coming back to life, one section at a time. So, let's dive in and see the progress that's bringing the new Camp Nou to life. The third tier, the true crown of the stadium, is progressing section by section. Concrete slabs are in place, stair cores are forming, and the steel brackets that support the overhang are being adjusted and aligned. A small section of a portal beam had to be cut and reworked, which slowed one part briefly, but crews are patching and bolting it back into line. From here, you can watch the stadium knit together, piece by piece. Down below, the parking area and labyrinth section have become a hive of activity. What was once a service zone now hosts concrete pours, reinforcement cages, and the beginnings of access ramps. The drainage and utility lines are being fitted into place, and ramps that will carry vehicles and emergency access are taking shape. This is the practical backbone. Without it, matchday logistics won't work, and the crews know it. The Diamond Zone remains a complex, detail-heavy area. Here, the teams focus on interior supports, precise paneling, and the connection points for future glass and louvres. It's meticulous work. Angles, anchor points, and custom pieces. But it's where the stadium's refined look will come from. Expect steady, accurate progress rather than dramatic leaps. On the lateral side, you can already picture the future façade. Panels are being trimmed and aligned, and protective coatings are applied to exposed beams. Some ceramic louvres have been placed as test sections, and the club has been trialing finishes to ensure visual consistency. This face of the stadium will define its look from the street, and the work here is focused on fit, finish, and durability. The north goal is advancing in parallel. Formwork and reinforcement for the upper platforms are nearly complete, and several sections are ready to be concreted. The plan remains to secure partial opening permission for some areas once inspections are finished, an important step toward adding usable capacity in the short term. Momentum here looks steady and deliberate. Work at the future club store is moving steadily. Walls and large windows are going up, and interior spaces are being prepared for fixtures and displays. The main tribune is taking shape with prefabricated panels, forming stairways and aligning upper platforms. VIP areas and corridors are being reinforced, ensuring safety and smooth access as the central spine of the stadium nears completion. Walking the site now, it's obvious. Progress isn't random. It follows a plan, from the lower logistics and parking up through the tiers and toward that eventual ring. Every crane lift and every concrete pour is a small step toward reopening. For now, it's machines and scaffolding. Soon, it will be seats and fans. Let's keep watching. This rebuild is unfolding section by section, and each one brings Camp Nou closer to its return. That's all for this week's update from the Spotify Camp Nou site. If you've enjoyed following the progress, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next update.